Welcome to modern waterfront living here at 2115 Leeward Lane in Merritt Island in the beautiful Villa de Palmas in Sykes Cove. Come take a peek with me. This stunning home was completely remodeled in 2022, boasting a sleek and sophisticated design. The sprawling open floor plan features tile throughout with endless natural lighting filling the home. The entire back of the home is lined with windows that provide stunning views of the pool and canal. Savor cool, cozy evenings by the modern gas fireplace. The exterior is equally impressive with paver driveway, paver pool deck, and pedestrian ramp to the boat lift. The low-profile, Florida-friendly landscaping includes stone accents and raised landscape borders. This show-stopping kitchen offers ample storage, beautiful quartz countertops with a stunning waterfall edge. Not to mention these gorgeous stainless steel appliances and a double oven. Hi, I'm Dana Healing, realtor with Coastal Life Properties. Thanks for exploring this gorgeous waterfront property with me. If you're ready to make an appointment, schedule for 2115 Leeward Lane in Merritt Island. I hope to see you soon.